Hello and welcome to Contentrain's walkthrough video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual project. First of all, from the drop-down menu, don't forget to switch to the workspace you want to create your project if you're not already there. Then proceed to the bottom of the screen and click Start a Project button on the manual installation card. Select the repository to set up your project. It's crucial that there is no existing Contentrain project in this repository. Rename your project if you like to, and you can also select a language or a static path and manage your merge requests from here. After this step, your project will be created and you will be directed to your project's overview screen. Keep watching more videos on the basics of Contentrain.